Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can transfer contacts from Samsung to the Motorola device. So I have only Motorola here, but don't worry, this method works on every Android phone. So at the start open the settings, now slide down to the system and go to the backup. Now just tap on the backup now. How you can see my backup is active now, and go back. Go to the Google account data and make sure that you have synchronized contacts. After successful backup, just log in into the same account on the other phone, on the Motorola or the Samsung, and the contacts should appear on the fresh phone automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.